Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Just Connect and access your account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in justconnect.com.ng. After you come across this official page, click on the login button. Here you'll have to enter your username associated with your account and a valid password. If you do not remember your password, then click on Forgot Password link. Also, if you don't have an account yet, then click on Sign Up link. After entering your details, click on Sign In button to proceed. And that is how you can log into Just Connect and access your account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.